welcome back to Unique Amps. Last time we unboxed the Celestion Greenback. There it is. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it? I'm excited. So we compared it to the original stock speaker, which is some sort of a custom proprietary speaker. We took out the custom speaker and installed the Celestion. Had to drill new holes because the holes didn't line up with the original holes. Got it back together. And now today we're going to do an audio comparison between the Greenback and the stock speaker. Next time on Unique Amps, we're going to review the overdrive circuit, see if we can replace some of the components to improve the sound quality, and also replace the integrated circuits for our higher quality devices. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this content and you would like me to continue to make these videos, you know what to do. We'll see you next time. Take care.
Okay, ready?
Nope.
Let me know.
Ready? Go ahead.
Okay.
Going?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.